back to another video. Today we're gonna be in the Hellcat. You know how we do it, we keep switching it up. I mean, that's why I bought 2 of these cars, man, so I can keep switching it up. It's just so nice, man. So nice being able to just go to a different car, and it's really a whole different feel, which freaking love it. I freaking love this thing, bro. The whine with the V8's freaking, I can't stop talking about it. Bro, it's been like this. Like, I've been saying the same thing over and over. Oh, it's a cop right there. Yeah. I mean, usually cops out here are really chill, but you know, it's just my car is just so stupid loud. And I've already been stopped once, but they were chilling. They were just telling me to like keep it chill. It just sounds like I'm going crazy, but I'm not, bro. The exhaust just sounds crazy. I'm actually gonna go through this little neighborhood. Yeah, my pipes got loosened because when it gets hot and cold over and over again, I have to re-tighten it. So I have to re-tighten it one more time to finalize it. But just to get to that middle pipe is just so cheeky, bro. So I've been low-key procrastinating because I'm buying a shop. Well, I'm closing the deal around April, so I'll have my own shop finally for various reasons. The main reason is definitely not cars. I have another business. But it's just gonna be nice. I can finally actually work on my cars without having to trip about, like, you know, I can finally get a lift type of thing. And it's just so nice. I can finally be able to like actually afford a nice shop, nice lift, and then soon, boys, you can see, bro, everything's gonna change up quick. Like, I'm really considering getting a filmer for the weekends. Like, there's gonna be so much. Like, I can't just keep doing these iPhone kind of videos, you know what I mean? I gotta get like I'm probably gonna get a really nice camera. I know the camera, I've been wanting this camera forever, but bro, to get this kind of camera, I need to spend like literally like 7 bands. The camera itself is like 3.5K. Yeah, the camera I wanna get is 3.5K, and it's like one of the best cameras. It makes it look so aesthetic. Like, everything just looks aesthetic with that specific camera. But it costs 3.5K just for the camera, and then the lens is like 2,000 to 3,000 because I wanna get one that's like, I wanna get the best. I'm not trying to half it. Sport mode is so fun, bro. That's why I like driving sport mode, dude. It's like a different feel. It's way more freaking fun. But I gotta be careful because when it rains, bro, and you're in sport mode, it's like, dude, honestly, going over 40 on this car is so sketch when it rains, because once it slips, bro, you're gone. Like, if you don't have room to like slide out a little bit, like, you're gone. It's done. Boys, I'm just so happy, man. I'm taking action, bro. I'm so happy I'm taking action, boys. The new business that started about a month ago is going perfect. I was actually planning to make a video. So I actually, I'm gonna give a little hint, but I no longer work at my job. I quit my job about a month ago, and I'm planning to upload a video like 6 months from now, talking about me quitting my job when I was making like almost 200K. So I'm gonna make a whole video on it later on. But right now I'm just grinding, dude. And things have been going so good. So I'm just gonna keep grinding, staying silent, working my butt off. But it's just so cool, like, you know, when you have a special skill that not many people have, it's a different ball game, bro. I mean, you're dealing with, like, that's why I love the field I'm in. It's like you never stop growing, you never stop learning. Like right now, I've been learning faster than ever because I have no choice. Everything's on me. This freaking guy. I love it. Look at these streets, bro. I freaking love these streets. Just too perfect. Dude, I love Hellcats, man. I just wish there was more to the Hellcat. Like, I wish that there was adaptive cruise control and all that good stuff. But it's so minimalistic, bro. Like, there's just regular cruise control. For how much I pay for this car is crazy. For it to have, like, to have minimal things. Like, if I had adaptive cruise control, bro, I'll be literally using this car for work. Because depending on the job, I usually don't need that many tools, you know? Depending on where I'm going. And I can always load up on specific tools I need. Because one thing that's special about my job is that there's so many different components and you need special tools for each one. And that's honestly the issue most people have. They don't have the right tools, so they can't even do the job. Knowing how to do is one thing, but having the tools is literally another thing, and nobody ever has them. And the biggest reason why it's so hard to get the right fittings is things are metric. Most things that we work on are metric, and in America, everybody uses standard. Like, everything is standard. Echoes like crazy right here. Like, even though this car has like really bad traction, it's something about it. It's like, I just love how these seats, like, I mean, look how fat these seats are, dude. It's so comfy. I need to go back in track mode. I'm just so scared to slip, so I'm not redlining it. I'm redlining at this light. And then I need to get out of this freaking part of town, dude. I know there's, I'm just going by way too many houses. Woo-hoo! Dude, I own this car, and that still scares me. It's just too much power for just the rear wheels, man. It's too much. freaking freaky, dude. That's freaking freaky. I still can't believe I was stock tune on this. I cannot wait to be able to tune this. I'm only tuning this car when I have enough money to put like 20K into the engine. Like I'm preparing for the worst. Cause I really don't want to hit things to hit the fan and then like, oh, like I gotta put like 5K into a trans and whatever. Which I doubt obviously, but you never know, man. You never know. And I don't want to risk it and not have enough money prepared for it, you know? Because I like putting my money everywhere else. That's why I plan, like, I really want to put all my money back into the business, buy more real estate for the future. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro. Hope you guys enjoy this little POV, and we're ending the video off here. The light, dude, the weather right now, dude, the time is delayed by 1 hour now, so the sun goes down super late. Dude, about freaking time. I've been waiting all year for this, but it's really perfect weather to cruise. I'm excited to keep driving this thing. Let's see how this year goes. Tune this thing. Go put head